St. Peter's College Tororo erisangibwa mu buvanjuba bw'eggwanga lirimu ku masomero ga Nansangwa agaleese abatutumufu omuli ababaka ba Parliament, Ssaabalamuzi Alfonso Winyidolo, Bannabyamizannyo nga n'abamu basambirako ttiimu y'eggwanga The Cranes n'abalala bangi. Mu myaka egy'ekinaana n'egy'ekyenda lino lyerimu ku masomero agali gasinga mu ggwanga Uganda.
We produced a number of national team players and sports personalities. The current Secretary General of Boxing Federation, Simon Barigo. We had Eric Anyole, who played for the Cranes, Agure Bigara, who played for the Cranes, Paul Asule, who played for the Cranes, and his brother Geoffrey Genyi also played for both Villa and the Cranes. Humphrey Mandu, I think, played for Express and is the current deputy CEO of FUFA. We had Peter Nen, a coach now, but he played for Villa and the Cranes, and Zole, and very many others.
Tutuseeko ku ssomero lino okulaba embeera y'ebisaawe ng'essomero lyalina ebisaawe by'omupiira 3, wabula tusanze ente ze balundiramu, kyo ekya basketball n'ekya volleyball nabyo biri mu mbeera mbi.
When you look at the quality of our basketball court, it is maram, and then even the posts are of low quality. So ideally somebody would not be comfortable to make a competitive game in such a court. Today we had to convince them that we are training from the same place, and that's why we're able to have a team.
Yakulira Eby'Emizannyo James Egara atulambuza era n'atubuulira ku bizibu bye basinga okusiŋŋaana.
Help us to fence the fields, especially these football fields here, because if the fields are not fenced, we are going to have a challenge of the challenges we have already listed there. So fencing it out will help us to maximize training of the students inside here without fear of exposure to any dangers. Tarmac this court, and if possible, get another one next here so that we have at least 2 or 3. Because now when we tarmac this, we will only be able to use about 15 or 16 students will be playing. The more courts we would have, the better.
The field itself is bordering natives, and the natives access the town areas and the road from the field. The only challenge is that as if the existing roads which are supposed to be open for them, the local government has not given them that advantage. So they take advantage of the space we have as an open field, and they trespass. And some of them think that now that is the only best place for them because there is no alternative. Yet the local government can give that alternative by supporting them, and we kept on advising them that that is the only solution. But the field is supposed to be protected.
St. Peter's College Tororo yakolanga bulungi mu mizannyo gya Nationals naddala omuzannyo gw'ensero, wabula ensangi zino amasomero agasinga okuva mu buvanjuba bw'eggwanga gabadde tegakyakola bulungi nga kirowoozebwa nti ebisaawe ebitali ku mutindo byandiba nga bibireetedde amasomero gano okuddirira mu by'emizannyo.
Schools were established with very special state-of-the-art sports infrastructure besides other facilities. For example, St. Peter's College Tororo had 3 football fields actually. 3. It had a cricket field. It had a volleyball field. It had a rugby field. It had a basketball court. So everything, it was a one-stop center for both learning and sports development.
Abasomera ku ssomero lya St. Peter's College Tororo bali mu kaweefube okuddaabiriza essomero lino era bategese ekijjulo ng'era ku mwezi 20 omwezi guno ku Silver Spring Ebugoloobi nga bagendereddemu okusonda ensimbi eziri mu buwumbi 3 okuddaabiriza ebizimbe n'ebisaawe eby'essomero lino.
St. Peter's College Tororo made us what we are. So we have come up as the old students body to mobilize the great masses of old boys in the country and worldwide.
These schools were built hundreds of years ago. 1941 is when ours was built, but the structures are quite solid. If you look at the buildings themselves, they're quite solid. It just needs a bit of maintenance, a bit of commitment from well-wishers like the old boys, and that's why we're here.
We are calling upon all our OBs far and above in the diaspora, within Uganda. Tororo College has OBs all over the country, within East Africa. We are calling all upon these gallant men to come and join hands in uplifting this college. And we believe when we do this, we are giving back and adding to society.
We started this journey and it's progressing very well. I would also like to especially thank those who have already contributed, and many of you have, but then to call upon all of us, OBs, well-wishers, sponsors, not forgetting our beloved government.
Bannabyabyemizannyo bangi okufuuka ab'amaanyi batandikira mu masomero ne batuuka ne ku ttiimu y'eggwanga. Abel Kitaka ne Makumbi Emmanuel, Salt TV, Omunnyo.